That's a good. So we stop at question 11. Yes, did you manage to do something on it? Because yesterday I couldn't do anything. I was just seriously busy yesterday. So even though
No.
I didn't check.
I was busy with the other lady on the
Thank you so
installation.
much. Did you manage to do everything?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so
Yes.
much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I forgot. I wanted to say yesterday that maybe when you are doing, you should do the recording so that we can post it on the group.
Okay.
I forgot. I
Okay.
forgot. And I didn't know that you guys will meet after the class. Yeah, thank you so much for that.
Yes.
So,
All right.
question 11, we were talking about find the average selling price for each stock group. And we opened stock group yesterday. Yeah, this one is invoice line. You said that invoice line we have stock item ID and quantity unit price. And when we look at the stock item, stock group, we have stock item ID that we can lead the invoice lines and stock ID. So, and they ask us that each group, so we need to open the stock group too. For the stock group, we have stock group name because find the average selling price for each stock group. So we have to call stock group in. We have to extract stock group name into our select when we are using our select clause. So now, and yesterday we said we should start from sales.invoice line as C. We should join with stock item as W on C stock item ID equal to WS dot stock item ID. So, and we need another join to join the stock groups. And inside the stock groups, we will extract stock group name. So let's join warehouse dot stock group as SG um SG dot and let's look at we have stock group ID here. So
Yes.
and which from invoice line we don't have stock group ID, and from where's the rest of
Second one has stock group ID.
stock group ID, that's from stock group. I'm just looking for the
And
unique
warehouse it's also on the warehouse stock item.
stock item. Do we have okay? That's what I'm trying to
I saw
invoice
something on
this stock item stock group.
yeah,
And we don't have okay, we have stock group ID here. So we can
yes.
join with this, but you know that we have not called this into our query. You understand what I'm saying? If I want to join the stock group now, so before I join the stock group, I need to call this one first. So here will be stock items stock group as SSG. SSD. Yeah. Before I can join the stock group, I need to join this one with stock item because they have stock item ID here and stock item table as stock item too. Before I can, and I will now join the stock group with this stock item stock group. I don't know if I'm communicating.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Stock, join the SSG stock item ID ID equal to WS dot stock item ID join warehouse dot stock group as SG on SG dot stock group ID group ID equal to SSG dot stock group ID group by group by before I call the group by let me select SSG dot hours no SSG dot group stock ID group name stock group name and we are calculating average the unit price is from the invoice line we say C dot unit. There's no unit price in invoice. Unit
In
price.
invoice line, there is.
Yeah. Okay, I think this is it. As average price. Group by SG dot stock group name. Yeah, let's look at it.
There is C omitted
Group
on
name,
that SG
yes.
dot group name.
Group name. Did I write it very well? Stock group name. I think there's mistake somewhere. Stock item. There's not under
That
the
stock item stock groups. There is S omitted. Warehouse dot stock item stock groups. There should be S there. Okay.
so under the stock, look at the right stock item, stock groups. We have stock item ID, yes, for unique, and I join it with stock WS.
This dot invoice line. So those ones are okay.
The invoice line are okay.
Stock. Let's check that stock group name.
Yeah, this stock Stock items. Mm,
Stock items.
mm, Warehouse. Name me WS. Stock items.
That one
I
is okay.
okay.
I think those ones are okay.
And the issue that we are having is the warehouse, stock items, stock groups.
So,
Mm,
no, there is no S in item. Warehouse the stock item. No S.
good. And what about the stock
So then
groups?
warehouse the stock group.
We have first at back.
Warehouse the stock. Yes.
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 So let's run it and see the output. Stock group name 18,000. So, and another method, I wrote this one. I did not use invoice line. I extract my unit price from stock item. Let's look. Yeah, this stock item, we have unit price here too. So my question now is that, from invoice lines, we have unit price. From stock item, we have unit price. And when we look at
Its
the
price.
question, yes, when we look at the question, find the average selling price for each stock group. Each stock group. So is it necessary to use invoice or use the unit price from invoice line or use the unit price from stock item? Let me run both query and
Stock
see.
stock items. Stock item will be better because in
Hmm,
accounting, anything that has to do with stock is more of the cost of sales. While
hmm,
the one that has to do with invoice is the selling price.
is selling price. So because yesterday
Mm.
after the question, I'm just flashing back the question that, so when we have question like that say that for each stock group.
So I think maybe it's the invoice line that we are going to use because they specifically mention average selling price.
Okay. Average selling price and invoice line, the unit
Mm.
price inside the invoice line
Because if
are the
you can
selling
let's run the other ones, you
too.
will see most likely there will be difference between the prices.
There are different between the prices. This is it. So I just want to understand the logic behind it. When we use
Mm.
invoice lines, eh, so the unit price inside the
Yeah,
invoice lines are this selling price, right?
at the selling price. Yes, 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 yes.
But the one
Because
inside the
the
stock
document that
item,
we issue for sales, the one that
yes,
we issue for sales, the document that we issue for sales is invoice.
is
But
invoice.
take when they want to take product out of store
Mm,
for sales, they issue it at cost. So that should be the one in the stock in the warehouse. So I think the question they're asking here is more of a selling price. So that
selling
of the
price.
invoice.
Yeah. If
Mhm.
the second query, should we
So
count the query as a selling point, or they want to know the price of each stock group in the warehouse without the selling? You understand what I'm trying to point out? Because we have different stock group name
uh,
as different average price.
I, I I think what they want to know is that, whatever we are selling, take for instance, if I'm selling electronics now,
Mm,
I'm selling um I'm selling television. Television is a group. I could have Samsung, I could have Toshiba, I could have Panasonic. They are all under one group.
yeah.
So they are stock group.
Mhm.
So then I can have another stock group which has to do with farms. I can have another group which has to do with radio. I can have group. So they are different brands. So
Mhm.
when they want to say selling price from those groups, they are only referencing that group because you can only group those items based on warehouse grouping. but the selling price that is associated with those groups is what they are
Mm.
asking for.
They're asking for
So invoice line is the best
to
to
use.
to use here. Yeah,
Okay, thank you for
not
that.
the stock
Stock,
group.
yeah.
Yes,
When we look at we're all learning here. When you look at the number 6 here, foreign footwear, and you look at the foreign footwear as and the second query, apparently you could see that we have 27.50000
the same
and
amount.
27, just slightly different between the prices.
Different.
Yeah,
One would be one ordinarily should be higher, while the other one should be
should be
lower.
lower. Okay, thank you.
Because you are expected to make some profits
Profits,
for
yeah, from
whatever you
it, yeah,
sell.
yeah.
So that's the variance that you are seeing there.
Mm.
So
So
the first one, the first output, is that for the invoice? For the invoice
yeah, the
line?
first one
The
is the
one that
for
has
the
the highest
invoice. Yes, is for the invoice, while the
so
second one is for the
is for
stock.
the stock.
Yeah.
Yes. One
So
is cost, the other one is selling price.
yeah, the
So the
second
difference
query is
between
for
the
the
two is the
is
profits.
is for the second query is for the cost of the each stock group in the warehouse.
Yes.
Average
Yes,
price
yes.
of, yeah, the cost.
Average,
Yeah,
average cost.
average cost. So
Yes,
I want to
yes,
put
yes.
that
Yeah.
a level so that we derive two questions from answers from the questions.
Okay.
Find
All right, sir.
the average
Average
cost.
cost,
Yeah,
unit cost.
cost. Unit cost. Okay, average unit cost price
No,
for
no, no. Don't use
each.
price.
Okay, unit cost
Remove price. Just
for
for
each
each
store group.
stock group.
Actually, yes. So question 13. Question 12, I mean, find suppliers that have supplied more than 20 products.
Products.
So from this question here, yeah, we are working with how many table. Find suppliers that have supplied more than 20 products. We have to look the product, which table that contain products and the suppliers. That's you have to know that okay, with this question we are using two tables. Am I communicating?
More
So
than products.
okay,
Yes, 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 yes.
so let's
So,
look at the
from the purchasing,
yes, we
you
should
should
look
see
at the
supplier
supply
there.
purchase suppliers.
Under purchasing,
Let's
you will see suppliers.
okay,
Purchasing,
suppliers system version, right? Or
purchasing
category.
dot supplier. Let's check that this one.
Okay, from the
Okay.
purchasing supplier
Supplier ID.
we have supplier
Do we
name.
have product there?
No, we don't have products here.
If do you have item name? Yesterday we saw item. You saw it under
Yeah.
item.
Okay. So under the supplier tables, we have supplier name and we have supplier category ID, supplier ID, so that we know that okay, we have a primary unique value that we can link other table with. So let's go and look for products. Which table you said I should open for the product? Warehouse stock item, right?
Yes.
For the warehouse stock
I
item,
hope we should have supplier.
we
Yes,
have supply
it
ID.
has
Yeah,
supplier
we
ID.
have. Yeah, good. And we
Yes.
have
Does it
Stock
items
item
name.
name. Yes. I don't want to.
Yes, yes,
So
yes,
we
yes,
are using the
yes, yes.
two tables. So yeah, let's write our query. So before you start writing your query, you have to do a quick check of the table. When you understand the question that you're going to answer, you check the table. Okay, they mention supplier, which table that will contain supplier, they mention products. So you look at the two and you look at the unique value between the two tables that you can use to connect them. So yeah,
Well, let's drop a line for so that we can come and use that for select. So
okay,
the
yeah.
next line we can have from
Yeah,
from
purchase.
purchasing dot supplier
Okay,
as
purchasing
as
dot
dot
supplier
supplier
as the as what?
PS
Sorry, E-
PS
ES
as PS
PS. Okay,
PS join
on. Okay, join.
join
Yes, join. Yeah,
stock warehouse
join
stock item warehouse dot stock
warehouse
items
warehouse dot stock
stock
items
items.
as WS.
I think we use WS then, yeah.
WS. Yeah, we are
So
joining now
on
on
on PS
PS
dot
PS dot supplier. Is it supplier's ID or supplier ID?
supplier
Supplier,
ID, no S.
not X. Okay. Equal to WS dot
Dot
supplier
supplier ID.
ID.
So
So we are doing group by. Let's come back to the group by. Let's select
group by.
first. Or should I go for the group
So we'll
by?
select,
Let's select
you
first.
can
S-
select.
Select.
So
So they said that
PS
PS.
dot supplier ID.
mm,
Supply, we need supplier ID
we need supplier
and
ID
supplier
and
name.
yeah,
Supplier name.
it's from supplier.
Then we need
No,
name.
do we need?
Okay.
Okay, wait. I want to find supplier. Okay, we need supplier name, ID, and supplier name. Okay,
Yes.
supplier ID, comma PS dot supplier name,
Name
comma.
and WS dot
We
stock
need to.
item
We are looking for
product.
more than
So we
20
need stock
products.
item.
Stock item
Okay.
ID. So we need to count the stock item ID
Okay.
as total products. So
Okay.
count
Pounds.
C WS dot stock
Dot
item ID
ID abi or name.
as the total products. So now
I
we come
think
back for the group I.
we're not supposed to use. Are we not supposed to use an operator there because they sell more than 20 products that have bought more
Mm,
than.
so the count will count each stock item as total products. So when we do
Okay.
group
By.
by and when we use group by, we'll use having count. So we will now call the
Okay.
count this if it's greater than 20.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, group by
Group by
stock ID
WS.
and stock. I'll copy this part, copy, put it here,
Okay.
and I'll use
Okay.
having to copy this greater than 20. Yeah, there's a mistake in PS, the purchasing. Maybe I did not write it very well. Purchasing supplier. Let me check.
Purchasing the supplier. There is S.
Yes.
Look at where you are from. That S
From
should not be there. Instead, it should be C.
C,
C. Instead,
this.
purchasing. Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the result. Do you understand the query?
Very well.
You
Very well.
good. So I'm thinking we are learning. So instead of using Avi can't, can we use instead of using can't here, can we use, we wrote a query yesterday that we use top 20.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just thinking,
Can we
should we
say
try it and see it if it will work? Because you can write your query in different way. Let's see and see if let me copy this part and modify it. Instead of using can't here,
use top 20?
I'm just thinking top 20 what? Wait, let me go back.
The,
Yeah, we select top 10
I'm not sure
C dot stock ID.
that this. mm,
Let's try it. I want to
no,
see
can
it cannot work,
can it
right?
work that way?
Well, yeah, I was
I'm not
thinking that
sure.
I'm not sure too. I'm not sure too. I'm coming.
I'm, I'm not sure
I'm
it
not
will not
sure that it will work that way too.
conflict with that with that group line. Okay,
Group
let's try
by
it. Yeah?
without group by.
Uh,
Yeah, you are right.
um, but let's try it. Let's try it. Let's see.
Yesterday, not bad. Yeah, yesterday too, we used group by. See this question here,
Uh, uh,
question 10. Is it question 10? No, question 9.
okay.
Select top 10. We call the stock ID name, but we use some. Yeah, I'm not sure that it will work that way.
We can now use that, maybe count again.
Yeah, if we use can't again, that means that uh,
Since we cannot use some for stock ID.
mm,
So just
yes,
quantity.
yes,
Okay,
we
there are
can use
different things,
can't.
huh? There are
Yeah,
different
we can use can't. Let's try it. We can use
as
can't.
total something.
Yes.
Yes.
Comma, can't. What are we counting? Another question.
That same thing. You
The
can
stock
count that
ID.
same WS dot stock item. Yes.
This is giving me quotes. So let's make one it and see.
You have not, that's a WS dot stock item ID cannot be there.
Yeah,
I think we should count that one should not be there again. If we want to count supplier,
supplier. Mm. So we should.
if we want to count,
Mm,
yes.
Don't let's say yes, yes. Let's go and run the boat and compare the results. Okay.
They are
Hmm.
different.
They are different. No, we have they are not different, they are the same results. The only difference there
Uh,
is that the
maybe
second query
let's sort it. Let's filter it. Let's sort it. Order by so that
for the
we
second
will be able to
query, let's order
both maybe both of them. If you
order
just
by okay. Order by
total the total products are
let's order by the total products.
it's total products. Yeah,
Yes, total products, yeah.
being the
Order
same.
by total products.
In
Descending.
descending order.
Mhm.
Both
For
copy
both.
it to the other.
Mm,
Yes,
copy it.
there is that not a problem of indentation there? Indentation in first one. I mean,
Where?
the indentation doesn't affect that other by
No.
first query. Okay.
So let's explain the two query. The first query, we were looking at the total product that's more than 20. We want the result of that.
Mm.
And the second query, the top 20. You see, the difference
Mm.
there is that we are telling the second query, we are telling our query that we want top 20, not
20 supplier.
and with there's no condition there that any stock item that is greater than 20.
Mm.
Do you, do you get
Mm.
that? Because that
I guess.
top 20 in the second query, you see that we have seven results
Mm.
here, and the
Mm.
first query give us the total product that is greater than 20.
It gave us the first three
It give us the first
that
three
are greater than 20.
that are greater than 20. The second query, it give us 18, 15, 8 because we limit our information that we want top 20, not that the supplier name that has total product that is greater than 20. These are two
Yes, yes.
different query and two different questions.
Mm.
So you know when to
I think I
use,
get.
yeah, you know when to use a top 20 and when they say that they want when to use average count.
Mm.
You understand? So I'm just thinking
I
the
understand.
question did not tell us that they want a top 20. You cannot use top 20 there. Which question we can derive from the
Mm.
second query?
Where we are asked to find top 20 suppliers.
Even though with that top
We
20
want to have,
supplier, we don't have the top 20, give us seven. Top 20 have to from 1 to 20, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Hmm. And from our supplier list, yeah, let's come and look at the supplier list. Our supplier, we have only 13 records. So let me put top 5 here and see. Yes, this top 5. Because our record from the supplier list is not up to 20.
Mm.
We have 13 records there. When we
Mm.
change this part to 13, let's see if it will give us all the supplier. It still give us 7. Why is it giving us 7?
There might be something wrong with that query. So don't let us waste time on it.
Okay.
Since we already understand where we are
Understand
going.
it. So let's continue because we have to finish all the 20 questions today.
Because they have not asked us to look for top 20.
Yeah,
They
they don't
only
ask
said
us to. We
supplier,
just we
yankee.
yeah, we are just trying to learn new things. So number 30 questions. Find customer who have never placed an order. Yeah. So with
Yeah,
this, find a customer that who have never placed an
I've
order.
never placed. So we'll take says dot order. We agree.
Says
Says dot order.
customer who never placed an order. Let's open customer table first and see what is there.
Do we have
Says
customer?
dot
Okay, says
customer.
dot customers.
Yes, says dot customers.
So we should have customer ID, customer name.
Mm.
But I think it should be sales customer transaction.
We don't come.
The one below it.
Welcome.
Yeah, so thank you for yesterday. Hey, God.
I'm happy that your this thing.
Ah,
Sorry
it's not
about
small
that.
testimonial. It is well.
That is how SQL when you make a small mistake like this, you do it to do it to do it to do it before you get it. So you said that we should look at the customer transaction, right? I'll open both.
I think it might also.
This customer
Is it cost?
transaction. No,
We
we
should we
don't
should look
think
at if we should look at sales order